Hi everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Something colorful is about to be cooked, so stay tuned till the end and watch the entire video. I'll keep golden dot in center. I'll keep violet dots. I'll keep tiny dots in violet. I'll keep dark blue dots. I'll keep tiny dots in dark blue. I'll keep some blue dots. I'll keep tiny dots in blue. I'll keep green dots. I'll keep tiny dots in green. Now some yellow dots. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep orange dots. I'll keep tiny dots in orange. I'll keep red dots. I'll keep tiny dots in red. I'll keep golden dots. I'll keep violet dots. I'll work the dots in violet. I'll keep dots in dark blue. I'll work the dots in dark blue. I'll keep dots in turquoise blue. I'll work the dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep green dots. I'll work the dots in green. I'll keep yellow dots. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep orange dots. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll keep red dots. I'll work the dots in red. I'll keep brush strokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep brush strokes in blue. I'll keep golden dots in swipe shape. I'll keep golden dots in oval shape. I'll keep brushstrokes in violet. I'll keep brushstrokes in dark blue. I'll keep brushstrokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep golden dots in leaf shape. I'll keep green dots. I'll keep yellow dots. I'll keep brushstrokes in yellow. I'll keep brushstrokes in orange. Keep brushstrokes in red. I'll keep golden dots in floral shape. I'll keep dots in turquoise blue. I'm sure this rainbow mandala looks beautiful. Thank you all for watching.